Hey, welcome to Cook Step by Step. Today I'm making a tuna malt with a little kick. What I'll need is bread, tuna, 1 can, and some smoked salmon cream cheese. If you don't have it, you can use regular cream cheese. Some chopped off pickles, I'm using baby pickles, and some mozzarella. I'm gonna be putting the mozzarella on top a few minutes after it starts toasting because I want it to melt, not to burn. So what I'm going to do is get my tuna, and here's my cream cheese. I'm going to start with the cream cheese and just adding the tuna to it. And mix it all together. It's all mixed. And the cream cheese is already salty. And the tuna was a little bit salty too. So I do not need salt, but I am going to add some pepper. Some black pepper. That should be enough. Mix them all up. And now I'm going to add the pickles. Oh, come on. There. Alright, that's done. I'm using a Breville toaster oven. And it's brand new, so I'm still kind of figuring out how it works. It's actually very easy. So what I'm going to do is put it on toast, which is on it. And I want it a bit lighter. Like that. Okay. And slice, 4 slice. See, it shows 4 slice and shows how dark you want the bread toasted, and it's gonna preheat. Putting it preheat, give it I'm gonna give it 2 minutes to preheat and then toast it for 5. And it is pretty strong, so I might even turn it off before 5. But everyone has a different oven, so just keep an eye on it and stop when it's as golden brown as you want it. Back here, I'm just gonna move this around. Got my 4 breads, and I'm just gonna put it on top. First, I'm gonna just add an even layer to make sure that I don't run out before I finish all 4. And if I have some extra, I might just throw it on it too. For the cream cheese, I just use 2 tablespoons. If you want, you can also just eat it like this. It's still just as delicious. Or first toast the bread and then put the spread on it and eat it cold. But I want my cheese to be melted, so that's why I'm toasting it all together. Now I got all my 4 sandwiches ready, and I'm gonna place them on here. This is hot, so be careful with it. Ooh, it is hot already. And now it's gonna toast for 4 minutes. I got 1.5 minutes left on it, so I'm gonna pull it out. So now I'm gonna add a bit of mozzarella on top. Gonna push it. Oh, those are sliding off. It's already melting. This is what it looks like, and now I'm ready to put it back for 1.5 minutes. Now the best part, taking it out. It's finally ready and it looks really good. I do suggest to wait a minute or a minute and a half because it is quite hot, so don't burn yourself. I'm gonna cut through one of them and see how it turned out. Delicious. I love it when the mozzarella melts like that. So if you want a quick Netflix snack, this is perfect for it. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more, subscribe and come back later. Bye!